Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Japanese yen Forex account trading brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, cTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker founded in 2009, serving millions of clients across more than 190 countries. The broker has built a strong reputation for fast trade execution, competitive trading conditions, and comprehensive multilingual customer support. With a focus on accessibility and innovation, XM caters to traders of all experience levels while offering a wide range of trading services and educational resources. The broker offers a comprehensive selection of trading instruments across a wide variety of global financial markets. Traders can access more than 1,400 instruments, including Forex currency pairs, stocks, stock indices, commodities, precious metals, energies, cryptocurrencies, and thematic indices. This extensive product offering makes it easy to diversify a portfolio, explore different trading opportunities, and respond to changing market conditions, whether focusing on traditional asset classes or emerging markets. The broker supports a range of powerful trading platforms designed to suit every trading style and device. Traders can choose between MetaTrader 4 and 5. both available on desktop, web, and mobile for seamless trading on the go. The broker also offers the XM trading application, allowing users to manage their accounts, access markets, execute trades, and monitor their portfolios from a single mobile application. With advanced charting tools, customizable indicators, one-click trading, and cross-device synchronization, XM's platforms deliver a fast, reliable, and feature-rich trading experience for beginners and experienced traders alike. XM offers a selection of trading account types designed to accommodate different trading styles and levels. The standard account provides flexible trade sizes with no commissions, while the micro account allows traders to trade smaller contract sizes, making it well-suited to beginners and those looking to manage risk more precisely. For traders seeking tighter spreads, the XM Ultra Low account offers lower trading costs on a wide range of instruments. Investors looking to trade individual shares can choose the Shares account, while beginners and experienced traders alike can practice using a risk-free demo account. The broker also offers swap-free account options on eligible account types, allowing traders to hold positions overnight without incurring swap or rollover charges. Additionally, the broker provides a comprehensive range of educational resources to help traders build their knowledge and improve their skills. The broker offers live webinars in multiple languages, in-depth video tutorials, trading guides, platform tutorials, and a regularly updated market analysis section featuring technical and fundamental insights. Traders can also access daily market research, economic news, and educational articles, covering trading strategies, risk management, and market fundamentals. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your approach, XM's educational resources are designed to support continuous learning at every stage of the trading journey. Coming in at number 3, we have IG. IG is a leading online trading and investment platform, providing a comprehensive suite of financial products and services to traders and investors. IG empowers users to engage in a diverse range of financial markets, and as a leading player in the financial industry, their platform offers a user-friendly interface coupled with advanced trading features to facilitate seamless and informed decision-making. IG has positioned itself as a trusted partner for those seeking to navigate the complexities of the global financial markets. The broker offers a diverse array of trading instruments on its platform, offering a variety of options for individuals and institutions. And these instruments include Forex currency pairs, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, futures, and options. This extensive range allows users to tailor their portfolios to their specific investment goals and risk preferences. With competitive spreads and leverage options, IG provides a versatile and dynamic trading environment for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. IG offers a diverse range of cutting-edge trading platforms, tailored to cater to the varied needs of traders. These platforms are designed to provide seamless and intuitive experiences, empowering traders with advanced tools and features, and includes the IG proprietary trading application, MetaTrader 4, auto trading through Pro Real-Time, and more. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, IG's trading platforms aim to deliver a seamless and efficient trading experience, ensuring accessibility and functionality for all. They also provide a range of trading account types designed to meet the diverse needs of traders on their platform. Their accounts include spread betting and CFD leveraged accounts, share dealing accounts, stock accounts, the IG Smart Portfolio account, and the Smart Portfolio ISA account, with demo and Islamic account options. Each account type comes with unique features and advantages, allowing traders to align their choice with their specific trading objectives and preferences. They also provide a wealth of educational material aimed to enhancing market knowledge and refining trading skills. The educational resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, including foundational concepts, advanced strategies, risk management, technical analysis, and more. Through a variety of engaging formats such as video tutorials, webinars, and interactive courses, IG ensures that traders of all levels can access valuable insights and knowledge to make informed decisions in the financial markets. Whether for beginners or experienced traders, IG's dedication to education makes it a valuable destination for those looking to continually develop their trading expertise. Overall, IG stands as a prominent and trusted online trading platform dedicated to meeting the diverse needs of traders of all skill levels. With a user-friendly interface, a comprehensive array of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and a commitment to trader education through their academy, the platform provides a holistic and empowering experience for individuals navigating the financial markets. Whether one is a novice or an experienced trader, IG's commitment to transparency, innovation, and education positions it as a reliable partner for those seeking success in the dynamic world of online trading. At number 2 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, IC Markets has established itself as a leading broker, offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. IC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including Forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making IC Markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. IC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the IC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as cTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, IC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, IC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of cTrader, IC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, IC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, IC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Japanese yen Forex account trading brokers, we have Pepperstone. Founded in 2010 in Melbourne, Australia, Pepperstone is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker serving traders in more than 150 countries. The broker has earned a strong reputation for its tight spreads, fast execution speeds, and reliable trading environment, making it a popular choice for both new and experienced traders. The broker is also widely recognized for its commitment to transparency, innovation, and award-winning customer service, helping establish its portion as one of the leading online brokers in the industry. Pepperstone provides access to more than 1,400 CFD instruments across a wide range of global markets. Traders can choose from over 90 Forex currency pairs, major global indices, commodities including precious metals and energy products, more than 1,100 share CFDs from leading international companies, over 90 ETF CFDs, and a selection of popular cryptocurrency CFDs. This diverse market offering allows traders to diversify their portfolios and take advantage of opportunities across multiple asset classes from a single trading account. Pepperstone supports a wide range of industry-leading trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4, 5, cTrader, TradingView, and its own proprietary Pepperstone trading platform. These platforms are available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, offering advanced charting tools, one-click trading, automated trading capabilities, custom indicators, and copy trading features. With multiple platform choices, Pepperstone caters to beginners, algorithmic traders, and experienced professionals looking for a flexible trading experience. The broker offers 2 live trading account types designed to suit different trading styles. This includes the standard account, which features spread-only pricing with no additional commission, making it a straightforward option for everyday traders, and the Razor account, which provides ultra-tight spreads with a fast commission per trade, making it a popular choice for scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic traders. Pepperstone also offers a risk-free demo account, allowing traders to practice strategies and explore the broker's platforms before trading with real funds. Additionally, the broker offers a comprehensive range of educational resources to help traders develop their knowledge and skills. Their learning hub features beginner-friendly guides, in-depth trading articles, platform tutorials, webinars, and educational videos covering Forex, CFDs, risk management, and trading strategies. Traders also gain access to market insights, trading guides, and regular insights from industry experts, making it easier to stay informed and improve their trading confidence at every experience level. And those are some of the top 5 best Japanese yen Forex account trading brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.